Diabetes is a chronic condition brought on by either insufficient insulin production by the pancreas or inefficient insulin utilization by the body. A hormone called insulin controls blood sugar levels. Uncontrolled diabetes frequently causes hyperglycaemia, also known as high blood glucose or raised blood sugar, which over time can seriously harm many different bodily systems, including the neurons and blood vessels. There are different types of diabetes, which include type 2 diabetes. The body's inefficient use of insulin causes type 2 diabetes, also known as non-insulin dependent or adult onset. Type 2 diabetes affects more than 95% of those who have the disease. This particular type of diabetes is primarily brought on by increased body weight and inactivity. Although frequently less severe, the symptoms of type 2 diabetes might be comparable to those of type 1. As a result, the condition may not be discovered until after it has developed problems. This type of diabetes was previously exclusively found in adults, but it is now increasingly common in kids as well. Type 1 diabetes. Deficient insulin production is a hallmark of type 1 diabetes, sometimes referred to as insulin-dependent, juvenile, or childhood onset, which necessitates daily insulin therapy. Polyuria, excessive excretion of urine, thirst, polydipsia, excessive hunger, weight loss, visual abnormalities, and exhaustion are some of the symptoms. These signs could appear out of nowhere. Gestational diabetes. Hyperglycemia during pregnancy occurs when blood glucose levels are above normal, but below those that are indicative of diabetes. During pregnancy, gestational diabetes can develop. Complications during pregnancy and delivery are more likely in women with gestational diabetes. These women are more likely to develop type 2 diabetes later in life, as are perhaps their offspring. Prenatal screening is used to determine gestational diabetes rather than patient reports of symptoms. Prevention. It has been demonstrated that changes in lifestyle can postpone or stop the onset of type 2 diabetes. People should be physically active, engaging in at least 30 minutes of regular, moderate-intensity movement on most days, in order to help prevent type 2 diabetes and its complications. In order to maintain a healthy weight, it is necessary to increase activity, eat a nutritious diet free of sugar and saturated fats, and refrain from tobacco use. Smoking increases the risk of diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Here is a closer look on 15 foods that are suitable for diabetic diet. 1. Cinnamon. A wonderful spice with lots of antioxidants is cinnamon. By mimicking the effects of insulin and enhancing glucose transport into cells, it can increase insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Additionally, cinnamon will aid in controlling triglyceride and cholesterol levels. It is one of the many healthful spices for diabetics. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is a useful spice with potent health advantages, along with cinnamon. The key component that reduces inflammation and blood sugar levels is curcumin. It enhances renal health as well. Given that diabetes is one of the main causes of renal damage, maintaining kidney health is essential. To increase general health, think about incorporating this spice into your diet. 3. Eggs. If you have diabetes, a hard-boiled egg is a great high-protein snack. Without having an impact on your blood sugar, the protein keeps you feeling full. Egg protein slows down both digestion and glucose absorption. You already know this process is good for your health if you have diabetes. For a mid-afternoon snack that will keep you satisfied, include an egg. 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is excellent for diabetics. It is a healthier option than regular yogurt because it contains more protein and fewer carbohydrates and sugars. You may feel full and satisfied after eating the protein since it makes you feel like you've eaten a substantial snack. Greek yogurt in the morning may help you control your blood sugar level and avoid spikes. 5. Nuts. Nuts are a pleasant diabetic-friendly snack to pair with Greek yogurt. Nuts aid with blood sugar regulation. Almond consumption lowers the blood sugar response, as is the case with all high-carbohydrate meals. Because they contain fiber, protein, and healthy fats that help control appetite and blood sugar levels, walnuts are also a healthy snack. Nuts should, however, always be used in moderation. 6. Flax seeds. An exceptionally healthful food are flax seeds. You can lower your blood sugar by including flax seeds in your diet on a regular basis, which helps minimize blood sugar rises throughout the day. Additionally, flax seeds include a lot of viscous fiber, which improves gut health, lessens insulin sensitivity, and makes you feel full. 7. Raspberries. Of all the berries, raspberries have the greatest fiber. Fiber is an indigestible carbohydrate that makes you feel full, decreases the rate at which blood sugar levels rise, and aids in removing cholesterol from the heart. Raspberries are also delicious added to Greek yogurt or eaten on their own as a snack in the afternoon. 8. Apple cider vinegar. The research supporting apple cider vinegar's usefulness in managing diabetes is sparse but encouraging. Scientists discovered that apple cider vinegar possesses exceptional antioxidant and anti-hyperglycaemic capabilities in an experimental type of diabetes mellitus. The liver and kidneys seem to be shielded against diabetes problems by the vinegar. However, it can irritate the throat and interfere with diuretics and insulin. 9. Sweet potato. White potatoes have long been replaced by sweet potatoes, particularly by people with type 2 diabetes. They include more fiber and vitamin A than white potatoes and raise blood sugar levels more gradually. Consuming this delectable tuber may help increase hemoglobin A1C levels, which can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, according to studies. The protein structure of the Beauregard variant is comparable to that of a widely available blood glucose management supplement. Of course, moderation should be used when consuming it. 10. Garlic. Garlic contains antioxidant properties that can combat diabetes, hypertension, and oxidative stress. Numerous substances, such as quercetin, allopropyl disulfide, S-L-cysteine sulfoxide, and allicin, have potent anti-inflammatory effects that can be used to both prevent and cure a variety of diabetes-related diseases. By blocking the liver from inactivating insulin, they can increase blood insulin levels by increasing the body's supply of the hormone. Researchers have shown that ingesting supplements or raw, cooked, or aged garlic in moderation can help stabilize blood glucose levels and lessen the severity of several symptoms associated with diabetes. Components of garlic also promote blood flow and combat infection. However, consuming large quantities of this food can have negative effects. 11. Beans. Beans are a superfood according to the American Diabetes Association for managing diabetes. A meal of half a cup has the same amount of protein as an ounce of meat, and consuming extra protein can lower blood pressure and help control blood sugar levels. Because of their low glycemic index, legumes can lower the overall glycemic load of a meal. One study found that after 3 months of following a bean-based diet, participants' A1C readings had decreased by half a percentage point. 12. Shirataki noodles. Shirataki noodles may be a diabetic person's dream come true because they have no calories, no digestible carbohydrates, and no fat. The konjac plant's root is used to make this dish. About 3% of the product is made up of fiber, the majority of which is the viscous, soluble form of glucomannan. Glucomannan absorbs nutrients more gradually and prevents blood sugar rises by moving slowly through the digestive system. Additionally, it encourages satiety and can cause a decrease in caloric consumption. 13. Fatty fish. Fatty fish is among the healthiest foods for managing diabetes. For instance, salmon is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are highly advantageous for heart health. For persons with diabetes, who have a higher risk of heart disease and stroke, getting adequate amounts of these fats on a regular basis is crucial. 14. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables since it contains key nutrients like magnesium and vitamin C. The vegetable has been shown to protect cells during metabolism and assist lower insulin levels. Broccoli is a healthy option for persons seeking to control their condition because it is a great source of fiber and filling. Even those without diabetes would benefit from increasing their intake of broccoli. 15. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables are another food category that is appropriate for a diabetic diet. Leafy greens are often low in digestible carbs, which might cause blood sugar levels to rise. Several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, are abundant in kale and spinach. Increasing vitamin C lowers fasting blood sugar and inflammatory indicators. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Also, turn on the notification bell to get access to every new upload from this channel.